Hello and welcome to the course GIS for Beginners. I am Dr. Alamaya Mideksa. In this session, I will teach you a lab on Landsat satellite data in Google Earth Engine. So as you can see here, we will explore the Google Earth Engine time-lapse data. I'll show you some examples how we can monitor the land surface. This is a data from 1984 to 2012. For example, if you look at here, I'll use the time-lapse data, which is publicly available data. For example, I'll use the Amazon basin. When I click that, it just goes to the Amazon, which is already created data. So you can see here, you can monitor the time lapse here. You can monitor the change here. It starts from 1984 to 2012. As you can see here, this is an example for logging in the Amazon. How logging has expanded deforestation in the Amazon. It has expanded. You can see that pattern, spatial pattern. The logging is expanded from 1984 to 2012. It's really a powerful way to monitor that change that happened in the Amazon basin. Another example using the time lapse is, for example, here, if you go to Groves of Las Vegas, Nevada, if you click that, which is pretty much interactive data. Let's just change that here. Groves of Las Vegas. It will just go to Las Vegas and it will show us how the change Las Vegas city has endured over these decades. From 1984, you can imagine there was almost barely construction here, and the construction expanded in 2012. You can see that change, which is really a powerful way to demonstrate the change that happened over time. So that's an example of how a GIS data, especially a raster GIS data, can help us monitor change over time. So this is one powerful utilization of that. Another example is that Dubai, as you can see here, the expansion of the Dubai coastal area into a mega city of Dubai. As you can see here, the construction over here has emerged. So that can be, detected using this satellite data. The Landsat can show us that using these decades of, satellite data from the Landsat. So these are some powerful examples of, how we can use GIS, Geographic Information System, or satellite data to monitor change over time.